A brand new episode unfolds under the inspiring slogan, "Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, welcome to the treasures of treasures." Today is our scheduled appointment. With an exciting AI application that allows you to accomplish numerous amazing and innovative tasks in video creation and editing. For instance, you can create popular trending videos, heartwarming hugging videos, and animate any static image using AI movement techniques. Very realistic text-to-speech conversion using celebrity voices with AI.
أهلا بكم. اليوم نقدم لكم أقوى تطبيق الذكاء الاصطناعي للهاتف.
For mobile devices has a legendary feature. It seamlessly dubs the video's language using advanced AI technology.
La llegada del Tate, cuando fuimos llegando nosotros también, creo que la idea fue clara de querer ser protagonista de...
I believe that when I reached out to you, the intention was also clear. The desire has always been evident in wanting to be champion since the... أعتقد أن وصولتي عندما وصلنا أيضا أعتقد أن الفكرة كانت واضحة في الرغبة في أن نكون الأبطال منذ...
As you saw in the Messi video, we managed to dub it. He was originally speaking Spanish and we dubbed it into English and Arabic with enjoy flawless lip-syncing capabilities. All of these features can be accessed conveniently in the app, and I've provided the link in the description or comments below. However, if this happens to be your very first time tuning into our channel, we kindly ask you to subscribe now, like the video, and activate the notification bell for updates. To stay updated on new episodes, please enable notifications and leave comments as they help spread the video to more viewers. Support us. I'm Ibrahim Mahdi. Let's dive into the explanation, everyone. When I say I have incredible treasures for you, I truly mean valuable treasures from this amazing app. It's truly more than just amazing. Naturally, when you open the app, you will see these various messages. Simply click the X to dismiss and ignore them. Here, as you can clearly see, the app showcases a dynamic layout featuring videos that highlight dual characters engaged in combat. In couples, there are also heartwarming hugging videos. There are some feelings I don't want to explain, but there are certain moments that resonate deeply, like videos that you can greatly benefit from watching. All right, let's discuss a specific video, for example, the hugging video. Here you can include a personal photo, and here I put another personal photo. You choose two characters to create a video. I don't care about the story. We just want to use it. And we use it, God willing. For example, if someone wants to remember their deceased parents, something like that. But avoid using it for anything else. Of course, it can be very powerful. If you use it to harm someone, you won't be able to hurt them. The video will be very effective. But if you want to create something, you can create a beautiful memory with someone who has passed away by choosing a personal photo. I selected a photo of Abdul. Rahman Ibrahim, the little one. Then we come here and select my photo. This is my photo, and this is Abdul Rahman's photo. Now we click here. Video creation is currently in progress and will take a few moments. We appreciate your patience as we prepare it for you. Once it notifies you that the video is ready, that indicates the video is completely finished. Now let's watch it together and enjoy. As you saw, the appearance might change a bit, but in the end, it created the video as you saw it. I told you, the process can be very effective. By combining the images, they will appear correctly together. Other images can also be included without altering their look. I will click Save Now. To save the video on our mobile device, that's it. The video has been downloaded successfully. Now let's move on to another option. Forget about the simple hug. Here you have the fierce tiger hug, the strong gorilla hug, various animal hugs, and even those from imaginative monsters too. We offer an image-to-video feature that animates photos, allowing us to create movement, like with images of Hulk or Santa Claus. A natural movement, we come to the option called Movement. Here, it has a photo. I will click on the gallery, select the photo, and click to create the photo itself. The video showcases a natural movement. It's finished now, so let's watch it together. As you can see, the video movement here is very beautiful and realistic to an excellent degree. To save the video, we click on Save here at the bottom, and it gets done. The video is saved, and all video formats are working perfectly without any issues. Now let's move on to something a bit different, which is discussing artificial intelligence. This allows you to convert text into the voices of celebrities. As you can see, there are many famous voices. You can choose the specific voice you want for your project. For example, we will select the distinctive voice of Darok, and then we can proceed. Let's back up and write the text we want it to display clearly. I've composed the specific text I desire here. Now we will click on the check mark to proceed. Then we click the create button and wait to see how the voice will sound. It will inform you that it's ready in about 4 minutes, but it actually doesn't take that long. Text-to-voice conversion doesn't take much time, really. It finishes in less than a minute. We will click on ready to listen so we can hear it together. Welcome. Today we will present to you the strongest AI application for mobile. As you can see, the voice sounds excellent. To save the clip, we will click on save at the bottom. This is for text conversion. To effectively voice our ideas, let's now explore the feature that succinctly summarizes the entire application. Moving on to dubbing video clips. With artificial intelligence in any language with lip syncing. We will click here to choose a video clip from our device. I selected a clip of Mohamed Salah, the global Egyptian star. Let's listen to it in Arabic first to see how it sounds. This is the original audio clip.
والله متفائل ان شاء الله ان احنا نرجع نلعب في كاس العالم تاني وافتكر عندنا جيل بنبني جيل جديد والدنيا بتبقى صعبه شويه عشان بتبني جيل جديد لكن انا متفائل جدا بالمجموعه اللي موجوده محتاجين الدعم بتاع الناس معانا الفتره الجايه ان شاء الله ومتاكد ان احنا متفائلين ان احنا نصعد ان شاء الله كاس العالم.
Now let's choose the target language for dubbing. You can translate and dub it into any desired language. Here we will select the language we want. For example, I will choose English. And up here, make sure lip syncing is enabled so that the speech matches the lip movements. We will click create at the bottom and wait until the video clip is dubbed. And that's it. The dubbing is complete. Let's watch the video clip after dubbing. To save the video clip, we will click save at the bottom. The video on your phone is private, but there's something I need to tell you. So you don't forget, this app only dubs 30 seconds for each clip. This means no clip will exceed 30 seconds. So if you give it a video longer than that, it will cut the first 30 seconds and only dub that. So if you want to make a longer clip, you need to split it into 30-second segments and then give them to the app to dub. You can later combine them using any editing app. All right, the video has been downloaded to your phone. Let's go to the exhibition and watch it together. Here's the video. Let's play it and see the dubbing.
And God willing, I am optimistic that we will return to play in the World Cup again. And think about our generation. Building a new generation, which is a bit difficult because we are building a new generation. But I am very optimistic about the existing squad. They need support from the people during the upcoming period, God willing. And I am sure that we will be optimistic. We will win, God willing, like the World Cup.
As you can see, the app is excellent and easy to use, and I've shared all about it today, hoping you find it helpful. If you enjoyed the video and are new to our channel, please support us by subscribing, liking the video, and turning on notifications. It's very important so you get notified as soon as we release a new episode. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.